It's our goal to produce the best quality pork in the world possible. We like to do it in a way that is environmentally sustainable, animal friendly, and economically viable. We always try to do our best to make sure that the animals are handled the proper way, in a quiet, relaxed manner.
Canadian quality assurance program have been put in place, which assure all herds to be raised in the best condition, to have healthy animals in good condition coming to our facilities.
Canadian quality assurance program that was implemented into the industry has ensured that all pork comes to market drug-free, antibiotic-free.
Canada's got a very high herd health standard, so pigs as we know it are completely grown indoors in a controlled environment.
We've seen how we've washed our hands, how we change boots, how we clean coveralls, all steps to minimize the risk. We do have all separate pens available in our finishing barn. We make sure that there's no crowding going on in these pens. We make a pen of pigs. The pecking order gets established in there and everybody gets relaxed, and that group will stay together from there on.
Pigs today are grown on home-based feeds, corn, soybeans, wheat. We know exactly what goes into these feeds. We know how we build that carcass from birth up using nothing but the best ingredients nutritionally.
Canada has a rather unique system where we have a tattoo on every pig.
Each animal gets a tattoo number applied to its shoulders. When that number shows up in a packing plant, they type it in a computer and they can trace it right back to this location on this farm.
Each particular hogs have a different number. So we associate that tattoo with that number to have in our system a traceability line.
So when a truck arrives here from a farm, it has a manifest that identifies who that farmer was, who that trucker was, what's on that truck. What you might find surprising is every pig that came into the plant was photographed. There's a camera system at the chute.
In Canada, all food manufacturers are responsible for producing safe food. The government, on the other hand, sets the standards, verifies the compliance through audits, and takes enforcement action when required.
It falls to the company to actually write the HACCP plan. It is then approved by CFIA, and we are audited against how well we do in administering that plan.
HACCP is Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It's a government-regulated program for all processors within Canada. It's important to have every process step evaluated for any biological, chemical, or physical hazard.
This plant, as you've walked through it, is multi-zoned. You can't go into one zone or another zone. So if you think about it like a hospital, you can't walk into surgery unless you're properly attired. We spend a lot of time making sure people are properly cleaned, properly clothed, have the proper clean tools to do the work.
Having a laboratory on site is very important to any processing operation, because at any given moment it's important to know how your performance is from a microbial level to ensure the safety and the wholesomeness of your product.
Cold chain defense, most important thing in any meat business. Bringing meat down to the right temperature stabilizes it from any bacteria problems. Cooling is heavily monitored, and we're constantly checking the temperature all the way through to when we actually load the truck.
CFI inspectors are present in all federally registered establishments, including those that produce meat products for export.
All these measures raise the Canadian level to a point that when we want to export to another country, we already meet all their requests.
As an operator or a processing plant and a farmer, we're all responsible to ensure the safety of the product for the public's consumption.
Canada has a responsive and an internationally recognized food safety system. And in Canada, food safety and consumer protection come first.
The whole family eats pork. We all like to grow it here, and we all eat pork and they all love it.